Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today I wanted to share with you my Halloween Dollar Tree shopping haul. We stopped by Dollar Tree and we found some really cute stuff for Halloween. So I really like this sign. It says the witch is in and it has glitter, and I'm thinking about separating the three pieces. I really like the sign. We also found some cute felt stickers. And here's some cute little witch hat headbands. I believe they have 3 colors. And they're really cute. Now they're not hardly as big as the one that I used on my last wreath from Michaels, but they are a nice size. And then I picked up some black roses, and they have the spiders in them. And the lady at the front told me that they also had a deep burgundy in these, but they were sold out. And they did have some that had eyeballs in the center too. And then my daughter picked up this cute little sign, trick or treat, and it has glitter on it. And we picked up a couple packages of the eyeballs, and they're kind of like ping pong balls. They're really lightweight, so I thought they'd be easy to hot glue on a wreath. And I picked up, 4 rolls of the 6-inch deco mesh. And we picked up some little skeleton garland, and I'm thinking about spray painting these. And I also picked it up in the larger size, and it says it glows in the dark. And then they had these fun ornaments. They had some neat eyeballs, and they had it in the 2 colors. They might have had some orange, I'm not real sure. But I picked up these 2. And then I picked up some more glitter spiders, and we found some cute bat clips that have silver glitter on them. And then here's a cute spider for a wreath. And then I haven't seen this before, but I thought it was neat. It says spider webbing, and it says it clings to rough surfaces, wraps around objects, tucks into cracks. So I thought I'd give it a try, and it does have some little spiders included in it. And they had this in, I believe, black and also white. And then I picked up a couple signs, trick or treat. And then I think this one is my favorite. The witch is in, and it has glitter. And then we also found some witch hats, and I'm not sure how many different colors they had, but I only picked up the 2. And I picked up 2 packages of the LED light string, and then they also had some in orange and clear, I believe. But this is what they look like. And then this says it's a creepy cloth, and it really feels like gauze. Sorry if you hear something. My little dogs are getting a drink. And then I picked up 2 of the witch hats. I finally found these, so I'm excited to do a wreath with these. So I picked up 2 of these. And then the last thing I picked up was this bat garland, and they had these in other designs too. But that's it for today's Halloween Dollar Tree haul. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful evening.